kidney?
120 gram to 140 gram.
Right answer. Blasters. Who was Blaise Pascal? Who was Blaise Pascal?
French mathematician.
Right answer. Champions. What is a floppy disk?
It is an external storage device with low capacity.
Capacity. Right answer. Blaster. How many units CPU has? पीछे वाले को दे दो सारा.
3 unit. 3 unit.
How many units?
Aksa. 3 units. Sons. Gameplays. Lesson music. etc.
Right answer. How many units are correct answer? Champions. Which animal have no ears?
Snake, lizard, fish, crocodile.
Right answer. Blaster. Which is the biggest flower of the world?
Rafisa. Rafflesia.
Right answer. Champions. What is a computer software?
It is a computer software. The diagram
Wrong answer. Time up. Blaster. What is Wahi? What is Wahi?
कम करना.
Time up. Champions. Which is the smallest flower of the world? Smallest flower of the world. Champions.
Bolivia.
Right answer. Blaster. What is the last surah of Holy Quran to be revealed?
Surat Nas.
Right answer. Champions. बच्चे हमने सूरत नास बोला है. रॉन्ग आंसर है. राइट आंसर है सूरत नस. ठीक है, उन्होंने कहा जो एंड में आई थी, रिवील हुई थी, सबसे शॉर्ट वाली नहीं. ठीक है. Champions. Which is the shortest day of the year?
22 December.
Right answer. Blaster. Name the disease caused by the water pollution. Name the diseases caused by water pollution. Water pollution से कौन सी बीमारियां होती हैं?
Chordia, cancer and dysentery.
रिपीट करें.
Chordia, cancer and dysentery.
Right answer. Champions. Which is the highest court of the province? Highest court of the province. Now
Supreme Court.
wrong answer. Blaster. Where is the tomb of Hazrat Data Ganj Baksh?
Lahore.
Right answer. Champions. Name the book revealed to the Prophet Christ. Name.
Bible.
Right answer. Blaster. Which is the last month of Hijri?
Zilhaj.
Right answer. Champions. What is the speed of light?
Speed of light.
ना वो ऊपर का है। Time up. Blaster. Who presented Pakistan's resolution? Pakistan's resolution. बताएं। Who presented Pakistan resolution? करा दो तो पाकिस्तान। देखिए।
Qaid Azam.
Wrong answer. मौलवी फजलुल हक। Champions. What is the hard copy? What is hard copy? Time. Time up. Blaster. Name the 5 rivers of Punjab.
Sitluj, Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum and Indus.
Right answer. Champion. Which is the capital of KPK?
Peshawar.
Right answer. Blaster. Which animal give us wool? Which animal give us wool?
Sheep and camel.
Right answer. Who was the leader of Kuffar in Uhud?
Abu Sufyan.
Right answer. Name the highway that connects Pakistan and China.
Shahr-e-Resham.
Right answer. Result nine. कौन है? ब्लास्टर कितने हैं? The winner team is Blasters. 9 out of 12. Clapping. Thank you for coming.